All right. So today we got a 1999 Toyota 4Runner, 2.7 liter, and we about to do a lift. So get some light. About to do a lift. 3 inch on the front, and then 2 inches in the back. Alright, so this is for the front.
Yeah.
For the front. So 3 inches for the front. Alright, we put in the front lift. Yeah, we're gonna need some new shocks because these are done. These are original. So stock shocks. They're gonna have to be changed, but is the lift. Alright.
¿Ah?
¿En cuánto le compraron ese carrito?
¿Cuál?
¿Qué está arreglando?
¿Este?
El coche viejo que viene embarcado ahí, pues.
No sé, machito.
2-inch lift completed. Don't worry, we're gonna change the shock next time. We're gonna change the length and other components of the suspension. But as of right now, we're just gonna get the lift.
Duerme en los laureles, don Verga, ¿sí me entiendes? Me duermen los laureles.